Time out of mind. Exploring an age-old phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's as intriguing as it sounds: time out of mind. This expression may not be one you hear every day, but it's rich with history and meaning. So, let's unravel the mystery together. The phrase, time out of mind, refers to a period so long ago that it's beyond the reach of memory, history, or tradition. It's a way to talk about the distant past, something that happened so long ago that no one can remember it. This expression emphasizes the idea of timelessness and the limits of human memory. To fully appreciate time out of mind, it's helpful to understand where it comes from. This phrase is Old English in origin, dating back to at least the medieval period. It was used in legal documents and literature to refer to times before legal records were kept or before living memory. The phrase captures the essence of ancientness and the idea that some things or traditions have been around longer than written history can account for. Even though time out of mind might sound a bit archaic, it's still used today, albeit sparingly. It appears in literature, poetry, and historical texts to evoke a sense of deep antiquity or to describe traditions that have been passed down through generations. For example, this festival has been celebrated, time out of mind, by the people of the village, demonstrates the phrase's use in emphasizing the long-standing nature of certain customs. Using time out of mind in conversation or writing can add a layer of depth and timelessness to your narrative. It's perfect for historical discussions, creative writing, or any context where you want to highlight the ancient or forgotten past. However, because it's somewhat formal and poetic, it's less common in everyday speech. When you do use it, ensure it fits the tone and context of your discussion. Time out of mind is a beautiful reminder of the vast, unremembered swaths of history that shape our world today. It invites us to consider the depth of human experience and the mysteries of the past that lie beyond our collective memory. We hope this exploration has enriched your understanding of the English language and perhaps even inspired you to use this phrase in your own storytelling. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.